I have this wreath ring, and you can find these usually at Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And it's a 12-inch diameter. And I'm going to start by painting it using some Wise Owl Snow Owl paint. And I'm going to give it 2 good coats. And I'm going to allow that to fully dry. I then have these small popsicle sticks. And I'm going to be using 24 of these. So I'm just laying 24 out, and I'm taking some of my lemon zest from Decor acrylic paint. I just love this bright yellow. And I'm going to paint the popsicle sticks with the lemon zest. Now I did do 2 full coats of the lemon zest as well. And then I'm going to allow that to dry. I have a wooden circle that is also 12-inch diameter. I'm going to paint that using the Wise Owl Snow Owl. While everything's drying, I have a You Are My Sunshine sign. I got this from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.99. And I'm going to start by painting the entire thing with some Wise Owl black paint. Once that's dry, I then took the lemon zest and I just dry brushed on top of the You Are My Sunshine. So with a very small amount of paint, I'm just brushing it on top of the black. I took some hot glue and I went around the rim of the circle, and then I placed the wreath ring on top of that. I have some wax paste and the color is Eternal. This can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm just putting a small amount on my finger and then rubbing it on the wreath ring. And I'm just going around it. I took the popsicle sticks and I'm going to start by gluing one on top of each hole going around the entire wreath ring. So that gave me a total of 7 popsicle sticks. And then I placed one to the left and then one to the right of each of those popsicle sticks. And I did that same pattern around the entire wreath ring. And again, I'm just holding it in place with some hot glue, but you can certainly use another glue like the E6000. And then I took more of the wax paste, and then I went on top of the popsicle sticks with the wax paste. I'm going to glue the You Are My Sunshine right in the center of this. And then I felt like the You Are My Sunshine was a little hard to read, so I just took my Wise Owl Snow Owl and a very small art brush, and we just carefully drew You Are My Sunshine in the inside of the cutout, making each letter stand out a little more. And there we go. Now we just have this fun, easy wall decor that says You Are My Sunshine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.